Create an account on ADP Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on ADP Mobile. So to do that, first of all, download the ADP Mobile app from either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now, once you've opened the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where as soon as you open it, it'll ask you to enter your user ID and log into your account. But since we are new here and we just want to create an account, we'll simply tap on the option New Get Started button, which is on the bottom side of the screen. After that, tap on the option Yes, I'm sure. Now, if you already have a registration code, tap on the option Yes, enter your registration code, etc. If you don't, simply come back to this page and then tap on the option No. Once you've done that, simply tap choose where you are based on. So you can be either from US, Canada, or you can be from a different location. Simply tap on it. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to basically enter your first name and your last name. Then tap on the option Next. After that, enter your date of birth. Now you'll have to enter your employer ID or your associate ID. And once you've done that, simply follow all the steps provided to you and you'll have successfully created an account on ADP Mobile. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.